Hello, welcome to Printmaking with Jenny. It's Jenny here from Ironbridge Printmakers, and this is a technical how-to movie showing you how to set up to print lino on your gunning etching press. We will be setting the pressure on the gunning etching press using runners and packing paper to enable us to kiss the paper to the plate. We're going to print a Hessian backed 3.2mm thick lino which has not been what we called registered, which means stuck down to a board using double-sided tape. This is done when the plate has to be printed many times, or if it's a very large plate, then this stops movement. Also, plates like soft cut and Japanese vinyl are softer materials and have a tendency to squash in any press. The first thing to do is to put your 4mm thick plastic runners onto your press bed. You can secure your runners down with the safety stops that came with your press to make sure they do not move around the bed when you're printing. These go on the top side of the bed and on the top of the runners. The bolts are put through the holes and the wing nuts secured so that everything is tight and secure. You have two different types of safety stops that came with your press. One is this set here, and the other is used for when you're printing intaglio plates, and they sit on the underside of your press. You will use packing paper to make it the difference. No blankets, just packing paper. I use bread and butter 270 GSM from John Purcell Papers in London. Drop the top roller down onto the runners. They should feel even both sides. Go down until the Tommy bars feel heavy and even, and then come back on yourself about half a turn, and then test the feel of your pressure. It should be moderately easy to pull through. You want your rollers to run along the runners, which are acting like rails. Three things can happen when you go over the sandwich on your press bed. One, you get a perfect print because you are using the correct height runners and the right amount of packing paper. Number two, your ink on your print looks squashed because you have added too much packing paper, even though you are using the correct height of runners. This means you need less packing paper. And then three, your print is too light, which means you have not added enough packing paper in. As long as your ink is the right consistency, you will be able to get perfect prints by using the correct amount of packing paper. A quick note about cleaning your plates. Hessian backed lino is made from linseed oil, so when you clean with vegetable oil, the lino takes in the oil, making it more oily every time. Eventually, this makes the ink slip on the plate when printing. We put our Printmakers cleaner in a spray bottle, making it last a long time and easy to use. There's how to print a 3.2mm thick Hessian backed lino without it being registered on your gunning etching press. If you need any help or you want to talk anything through, please don't hesitate to give us a ring, email or call. All right, thanks ever so much. Thanks for printmaking with me. Bye.